Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video I'm going to show you how to claim your call and how to stake them. Call has been launched and it didn't launch according to our expectation. So that does not mean you should lose hope in call, because they have a very big vision. Yes, call has a very big vision. So what I can advise you now is that don't just go and sell your call. How much are you going to sell itself? Call is just $4 now. So how much? Maybe you happen to have a one call and you just go and sell it. You are losing. If you have not delegated your call, go and delegate it. And if you have not claimed your call, go and claim it, because there are so many people out there that have not claimed it. Some people write me a message I should make a video on how to claim it. A lot of people have not claimed their call till now. They're 25%. So I'm going to show you how to claim your call. And please don't sell your call. No matter how small it is, go and delegate your call. Okay? Don't sell your call. No matter how small it is, try to delegate your call. Because if you delegate it, it will be for your own good. Okay? Now, call has not even added liquidity. Liquidity have not been added yet, and people are selling their call. They are selling it non-stop and the price is reducing. So don't sell your call. If you have one call, delegate it. If you have two call, delegate it. If you have more, just delegate it. Okay? I've delegated my call. Sorry, this is not the main account because I've delegated my call. Okay? So guys, do well to delegate your call. Okay? Someone said that he wants to sell his call. Don't just sell that one call. Go and delegate it. Go and delegate it. So before we get into this video, before I show you how to delegate and how to claim your call, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Share it, because up till now so many people have not claimed their call. They find it difficult to claim it. Why some people have claimed it and they left it there. They have not delegated it. So share this video with your friends. Share it on social media. Share it as much as you can. Give this video a thumbs up and then click on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. Okay, so let's get into this tutorial. First of all, I'm going to show you how to claim your call. So I'll go to a browser. Go to my browser. By the left hand side of my MetaMask. Okay, by the left hand side of my MetaMask, I'll go to my browser. Please just bear with me. I have to clear some stuff on my screen. So I'll pick this arrow. By the left hand side of my browser, you see the icon there. Okay, you see the icon. Then I'll click on it. I'll click on browser. Okay, I'll click on browser. Sorry. Once I click on browser, you allow it to load. Remember, I'm going to show you how to claim call first before we proceed on how to delegate. So just watch this video till the end. Now if I click on MetaMask, it's going to show like this. So I'll go to the taskbar here. I'll go to the taskbar and type HTTP. I have to clean up this. Okay. So I'm going to type HTTPS semicolon / sorry, this video came late, but it's not too late. You can still delegate and then claim your call because I wasn't around. Okay, scan dot / then scan. Okay, sorry, copy the link. You just need to copy this link. Copy this link and paste on your MetaMask wallet, just as I'm doing here. Okay, I'm not just going to copy mine, I'm just going to type it. Okay, just see what I'm typing. HTTP / then calldio.org. Okay, then / now click on search. Guys, it's going to open like this. Okay, it will open like this. So many people get confused on how to claim this. Okay, it will open like this. Then they said by the right hand page, you will see airdrop. That's community developers airdrop. Let me just highlight it for you guys. Okay. You can see here. Sorry, my drawing is not that perfect. So you just need to click on it. I'll click on this community developers airdrop by my right hand, then allow it to load. Okay. Then the next step is to choose your country. Okay, choose your country. You choose your country. Okay. Now guys, these things are not displaying because I have already claimed it. I've already claimed this. I've already claimed this. Let's scroll down. Choose the displayed option. The next step is direct you to MetaMask to connect your wallet, but that's not coming up because all the process have already been done here. It's supposed to come up. Okay. The next step is it will direct you to connect wallet. Then you connect your wallet. Okay. So guys, sorry for that. I'm going to click on airdrop. Okay, I'll click on airdrop. If you click on other things, it's not going to open. Just tap on this airdrop. Tap on the airdrop. Now the next thing is to choose your country. Okay, I am in Nigeria, so I'll just click on Nigeria and then I click on confirm. Okay, and click confirm. Click confirm. Then the next thing is to ask me to connect my wallet. It will ask me to connect my wallet. Let's just wait. But all this, I've already done this, guys. Remember that I've already claimed this. So I'm just showing you how to claim yours. Okay. Let's allow it to finish spinning. My address has been connected already. Like I said, my address has been connected already. Total remaining to harvest is here. Remember, this is not my main wallet. I've already delegated mine. So you just need to click on claim. Okay. You just need to click on claim. So my next claiming will be March. Okay. 11. You can see here. This is available to claim on March 11. This is what I'm going to claim. On March 11, you'll be claiming this every month till you claim all the call that you mined. Okay, this is how you will claim it every month. Remember, this is every month. After claiming, come back to check. They will write the next date for the next claiming. And my next date to claim for this particular account is March 11, 2023. Okay, so this is how to claim it. Once I click claim, it will directly go to your wallet. Okay, to directly go to your wallet. So let's go back to my wallet. Like I said, I've already claimed it. Okay, already claimed it. So I'm back on my wallet. And we have a total of 2 core here. I'm just going to delegate the 2 core. So let's go now to how to delegate. Okay, how to delegate. Let's go back to how to delegate. Now we are going to delegate our call. So we just need to go back to browser. Click on browser. Then I'll click on my taskbar again, address bar. So let's type in the delegate wallets. I'm going to stake the 2 core I have here. HTTPS then : / stake.call DAO.org/. So I'm going to click on search. Just need to allow it to load. Now click to connect my wallet. I'll connect my wallet. See, I've clicked to connect my wallet. Take note. Click to connect wallet. Okay. Now after connecting wallet, the next thing is for me to scroll down. Then I'll choose from this. These are the list of the validators. Okay, I have to choose from the list of the validators. You can see node provider has the highest total deposit. You can see it has so many people use node provider. You have 2,858,213 people delegated with node provider. Okay, so guys, I won't just advise you to go to the highest staking APR. Okay, it's your choice. Just pick from the list of validators here that you want to validate your call. Okay, for me, let's see, node providers has 2% commission. That's what you'll be receiving daily, 2%, and the APR here is 46.34. This node provider, I think this guy reduced his APR, yeah, because he has so many people on it. And then let's move down. We have Positron has 2 point something million people delegated under him, so he has 2.5% interest. And then we have Dual Validator 1, we have 5% interest. So guys, just pick any of this. Just is your choice. Just pick any of this. Okay, just pick any of those and then just scroll down, choose any of those and then stick your call. Well guys, I'm just going to go to this smaller one. Not like I like the smaller percent, but I think it has a lot of members here. Okay, it has a lot of people who is a trusted validator. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this validator one. I'll click on validator one. I just need to click on it. Then let's allow it to load and open. So I'm going to go ahead and validate with node providers. So let's just click on it once more time. Okay, it's taking time to open. Let's keep calm to open. So guys, it has opened. Node providers, I choose validator one, like I said. So we have here 2% commission and the APR is 46.32%. So I'm just going to go ahead and then scroll down. I'll scroll down. See, I see where to delegate. Okay. Okay, now we have here delegate up here. This is it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on delegate. Then you will see your contract and wallet address connected to it. The total to delegate is 1 call. Okay, total to delegate is 1 call. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on. I have 2 calls, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on 2 call. Okay, go ahead and click on 2 call. Then I'll click on delegate. Then let's wait for the confirmation. Okay. Still loading. So I'm gonna scroll down here. See the gas fee, estimated gas fee, total of 2 core, and I'll click on confirm. So just have to wait till it's finished loading. Wait for transaction submitted was successful. Okay, it was successful, so I have to close and go back to my wallet. In the next 48 hours you will start seeing your commission coming in. Okay, in the next 48 hours, guys, you can stake. If you don't want to stake with this, maybe you want to go back and stake with the other ones, maybe this one is not okay for you, you can do that. Just choose. I won't ask you to choose this particular one. Just scroll down, choose from the list of the validators. Okay, choose. If you want to go to a higher APR, it's left for you. Choose from this. But guys, try well to validate your call. You can see that a call now, I think one call is $4 or $5. So once you delegate your call before the end of the month, or let me just say before 30 days, you'll be having not less than 5 call. Okay, you'll be having not less than 5 to 10 call. So even if you have one call, minimum is one call to delegate. Go and delegate it. And so don't panic, don't go and sell, don't just go and sell. If you delegate it to be for your own good, you have the time to accumulate call. Okay, you have the time to you have more call. The more you delegate, more call will be given to you, and plus the other 75% that we still need to go and claim. Okay, people are even making it already. People that started this mining earlier, they made so much call on the only delegation alone. Somebody withdrawn somebody made 290 call just to delegate, and I hope the person mine a lot of call. Okay, so you that just mine one call, don't be disappointed. Go and delegate your call, and you see the interest start coming in no time. You can undelegate your call. If you want to sell it, you can do that, but I won't advise you to sell now, because call is not just an ordinary token. This is not like any other crypto. Call has a very big vision for this. Call has a very big vision. Okay, so I'm advising you now, go and delegate your call. And if you haven't claimed your call, you see the process I showed you there. Go follow the process and then claim your call. Once you are done claiming, validate your call. Don't just rush and sell it. How much will you make it? How much will you sell? Okay, if you happen to have one coin, you go and sell the one call. How much are you going to make? Just go ahead and delegate your call. Okay, share this video. Remember to share this video with your friends. Let this go viral so that so many people out there, they don't even know how to claim their call. So many people opt in and they have not claimed their call. So if you share this video, it will go a long way. So do well to share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give the video a thumbs up. If you still have any question regarding this video, or you don't understand, you still have challenge, go to the comment section. Drop your question on the comment section and do well to answer. And join my Telegram channel if you haven't, to get more notification and interact with me. I'm gonna end this video. I will stop here today, and I'll come back again with another interesting video. Remember, if you have any question, go to the comment section, drop your question. See you in my next video, and bye bye.